Hello friends, welcome back to IBS Tech channel. Hope you are fine. Now in this video we are going to show you what's the price prediction occurs in a Cardano in the previous last 1 hour, last 2 hour, what's the price changes, what's the high price of Cardano in the previous last 1 hour, 2 hour. So before starting this video, if you kindly not subscribe my channel, so kindly hit the subscribe button right now and complete my 3k subscriber. My wish to hit 3k subscriber. Please help me and complete my 3k subscriber. Now let's see what's the price change occur in a Cardano in the last previous hour. Let's see the price prediction of Cardano in the last 2 hours. First of all, as you can see the graph of the Cardano, so the graph tells us that the Cardano take a jump after a very hard, as you can see here, very big dump, take a small, but currently they are start jumping upward after a great jump, as you can see here. And the changes is now in a positive, as you can see here. The change in the last 2 hour of Cardano is about positive 0.01% occurs in the last 2 hour, and the high price of Cardano in the last 2 hour is approx $1.21 high is the high price of Cardano in the previous last 2 hour. That's a live price prediction in the last 2 hour. Now let's see what's the price prediction in the last 1 hour. Now let's see the last 1 hour result of Cardano in a cryptocurrency market. As you can see, the last 1 hour result of Cardano. So the last 1 hour result is absolutely good. As you can see here, absolutely jumping upward, and currently they are in the jump. As you can see here, currently they are in the jump. So absolutely good news for all Cardano holders. As you can see here, the change is also in positive 0.42% change occur in the last 1 hour in a Cardano cryptocurrencies. So and the high price of Cardano cryptocurrencies is about $1.21% occur in the last 1 hour price of Cardano, as you can see here. So if you want to make money in a cryptocurrencies market, so it's a really big opportunity for you to buy a Cardano and make a good amount of money, because at this time the Cardano jumping period starts from this time, as you can see here. So thank you so much for watching. What's your opinion about Cardano? Is it good to buy or not good to buy? Please share in the comment box. Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more latest news and update about cryptocurrency markets.